A teardrop knot is a nice decorative knot that's sometimes tied using a jig, but you can also tie it in the hand. Let's have a go at tying this knot. To tie the teardrop knot, I'm just going to take my paracord. I'm going to run out probably 80 centimeters, 90 centimeters, and I'm just going to form an underhand loop like that, and I'll pull my working end through and then come over the standing part again on the other side and again pull my working end over. And now I just want to bring that over the top again. So it's like that. And I want to form my bottom loop now as big as I want my teardrop. So just adjust it to the size you like. And now bring the working end around the back and try and keep this tight if you can. And then over the front. That's the first part of the knot set. You keep this tight now and all the way through the knot. It's much easier because it's hard to tighten afterwards. Now we just want to take our working end and follow that bottom loop around, but make that loop a little bit smaller so it tucks on the inside of the first one. And then again we can take it around the back, around the front, keeping it nice and tight. And then follow the loop around again. Again, a smaller loop. And just keep following that same pattern. Around the back, around the front. Follow that loop around until you get that center hole is quite small. And then you just want to tuck the working end down through that center hole. And there, once you've worked the knot a little bit, you should find you have your finished teardrop knot.